Malaking bagay sana tayo ay mapagbigyan at maging non-permanent member ng Security Council. Uupo tayo sa Security Council, which is the guiding body of the United Nations. At doon dinidecide kung ano ang mga issue na dapat talakayin ng United Nations in mga General Assembly ng pag-uusapan and all the other issues around the world. At ito'y magbibigay ng boses para sa Pilipinas na kasing halaga ng boses ng mga malalaking bansa, the rich and powerful nations that already sit as permanent members of the Security Council. But we have to look beyond just the Philippines and what it can do for the Philippines. Dahil ito talaga ay bilang mapatibay pa ang ating partnership with the UN na matagal na. We have been working together with the UN since 1945 on many of the most important issues. And so it is really to strengthen that partnership. And it is not just about the Philippines. It is about being a representative voice for middle-income countries, for developing countries, for the Indo-Pacific region, which is now really the driver of a great deal of the global economy and of geopolitics. Kaya't napakahalaga na magkaroon tayo ng boses sa ganyang klaseng body na napaka-importante at napakataas na sa ngayon ay wala tayong boses na ganyan. At tayo ay magiging boses hindi lamang para sa Pilipinas, kung hindi sa mga iba't ibang bansa din.